Well, today we're gonna replace the wiring. This wiring is which one? Oh, this one is really bad. Look at that, so bad. So you will need this, and this one, the new one. Barely making false connection. So just gonna need one. You will need this one. And then you can find it on eBay. You can ask me any question. And then two of these. This is gonna be like this. I replaced this one because this one was completely broken, and this one serves as a good connection. You see? Oh, well. This one is good, so this one just basically go like this. You put it, how can I put my camera? So you put it in this, like this, and then the other side too. And then when this, you squeeze. You see? When this, you squeeze harder, like this. Now it's hard. Don't forget to put electrical tape over so it doesn't get loose, something like that. I like this. So don't forget to put over electrical wiring, electrical tape. That's what I mean. So I'm gonna do this one now. This is all messed up. It's bad. This one is good. And this one is good. This one is good, but this one, look at that. So you gotta take this off, and this one too. Need this one too, so you can get through. You can get through like this to open this. I forget the name. You see? You see how you open? Like that. This electrical tape, you can find it in the store after. So like that, you see how it starts to open? Open this already. Just be very delicate. Very delicate. And then you take this off. Very careful with the... So these 3 wires, I need a lot of this. So inside there are more wirings that go to the AQ and transmission, computer. You go all the way to here, to this one, to the connection of the alternator, and then go all the way down to the connection of the AC. So there's too many wires here, just careful to don't damage. And these are negative. So this half is the negative, one go to the computer and the other one go to the, is for the power. Something like that. Yeah, to the computer, the AQ, this one. Here is 2 computers, transmission, and then the engine. So, and this is like the nervous system, you can say that. So also go here, and then 2, 3, yeah. So I'm gonna cut that off. I just need more cables so I can put a new one. This is the new one. So just gonna cut this off. No way, just gonna go one by one. Cut just one by one so you can remember which side was. So you cut this off. just one by one so you can remember. Right, and then now you need to do here you need to do this like this. You see this, and then you just let me see, it's already cut here, which is good. You need to do like that, and then you need to cut a little bit here to take this off so you can unite with this. So you gotta do this, but very lightly. So you just need to get this off. So like that. You look, I take this off already. That's good. So now we're gonna grab one of these. You disconnect the battery just in case. I just disconnect the negative side. So this is up, right? This is up, and this one is up too. So this one go to the far right. So this one should go with this one. You see? And now you connect this like that. And I better wait, I bring a little bit. Oh, sorry. You didn't see that. You connect it like that. This one is good. Well, you can, if you don't have this, you just can, you know, like, and then you just go this inside, and then you put the other one. Give me a second, I need my two hands. So it's inside already, right? And when this, you go like this, and they make pressure, and that's how you have very good pressure. It doesn't go out easily. And then now this side, and don't forget to, sometimes these give many problems, so you gotta replace the wiring too. And then just go inside like that. Just like that, you see? It has extra protection, but don't forget to put the electrical tape. This is electrical tape. This is special for anything. Don't forget that. And then that's it, we go for the next one. We go now for the middle one. Oh, this one was so bad. Just one. You see, it's just holding by one. So you see, this is already making, and then it's ready. Don't forget to put it very close, just like that. And then I take it off this one. That looks so bad. I'm gonna cut from here. And then now you peel it off. This one too. And then with this, you put it like so, like that. And then you just make pressure. How can I pull my phone? Like this. And then it's ready. When that, you make like this, make pressure here, make a little pressure over here, and then it's ready. And then the last one, just cut this. Doesn't serve. And this is already cut, so you just peel it off. It's already peeled off, so just pull it out. Oh, almost, you see, almost fell my phone. I need to cut over this, like this. You go all the cycles, trying to pull it off a little by little, just slightly. You see, just slightly, and then trying to go all the way around. So you just only can take the cover. Like that, and don't forget to make it sharp, so you just can get in to the connection. Don't forget to make it sharp. So you see this, you gotta make it sharp. It's kind of like just like you. Now it's better, right? Here, you see this? So just go around like this. So you can get it like you can get in the connection like that. So you just put it in. Just make sure you go to the metal hole. You see, and then wait, I think I need my two hands. Oh, there it is. So like that, and then when this, you make pressure like that in the middle, and then you just connect the other one. You see, and then that's it. Yeah, like this, and then it's very strong. So I forget electrical tape. Just go around in this red, go around, and then make like a cover like this, and then also this one too, and then that's it. You connect the battery in place. Sometimes it's good to replace it because it can communicate each other. If I am not wrong, that's negative, the power, and this one go to the engine computer. If I'm not wrong, I think I'm right. I don't know. If this one still look good, maybe next week I'm gonna replace it. This one I just replaced it because it was bad. One was flying and the other one was okay, and this one is good. So you make sure you're wiring always, and then that's it. Don't forget the electrical type. I forget to buy it. I'm gonna do it tomorrow. Sometimes they have like, and don't forget to disconnect the battery. Sometimes they take one by one. This one by one, but I don't have that tool. So you see.